Hey guys, Jamie Benizri, and we're back with Logik TV. We are at the headquarters for IC Montreal, which is an incubator that we're part of where we're offering office hours. We have a special visit on Friday afternoon, Rajah Lehal from Toronto. You're freshly came into the city. You have some business going on here, and we kind of, through serendipity, kind of hooked up online.
Yeah, that's how all the most recent hookups seem to happen.
So it happened kind of like through Google Magic, and our firms seem to have lined up because of the similarities and the kind of markets that you're serving. Right. So we immediately connected, and because of that, we have the opportunity to be kind of talking a little bit about our joint experiences in Quebec and in Ontario. And I'm really excited to kind of share your perspective that we got to talk off camera. So tell me a little bit about Rajah Lehal. Tell me about kind of his experience and what you're all about.
Yeah, well, first of all, thanks for having me in here today. Great to meet you. And I think the reason that we sort of saw eye to eye is because we're both legal practitioners servicing the entrepreneur market, which is, in my opinion, a extremely creative, exciting, fantastic, fast-paced area of business. The way that I kind of think of entrepreneurship is it's very much the artistry of business merged, and if you've got sort of a creative bent and you're not a painter or a sculptor, but you love business, then put that together and you've got entrepreneurship.
So you have a lot of entrepreneurial DNA. I got to learn a little bit about the kind of things that you do. Tell us about the kind of businesses that you're actively involved in today.
Yeah, so I'm currently working on my third business, and that's ClauseHound.com. So ClauseHound is a do-it-yourself legal document library for our entrepreneurs. So the library itself is, as we call it, the most highly annotated library on the web. It's a source for business law documents. And when I say do-it-yourself, I certainly we're two lawyers sitting here together. I certainly don't think that there's any substitute for expert legal advice. Sure. But we're pleased to say that the lawyer contributors who are contributing legal documents within our site are also the sort of the handshake, and they're the place where you would go if you're an entrepreneur and you have questions and want to take your legal education further and try to understand those documents.
So tell us, from someone who's got boots on the ground in Toronto, what do business owners and what do entrepreneurs need, and what do they expect from their lawyer and the legal services that they so badly need?
It doesn't matter what your location is. You've still got the same concerns at that early stage.
Yes.
What am I signing? What does this mean? So I think from our perspective, if we can onboard you into that language, then maybe your conversation with your entrepreneurial counsel will be an hour instead of 4 hours to try to understand a shareholders agreement.
Yes, sir.
And that helps everyone.
Well said. Those concerns, I can completely resonate with those concerns. And I completely resonate with the fact that entrepreneurs need that education, need the reassurance, and kind of the platform that I think you're developing worldwide is kind of quenching a lot of that demand. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Next time when you come back, we're doing it in French. So you better start practicing.
The site has French language content, so
I want you in French, man. You're doing it in French. Have a great weekend.
You too.
Jamie Benizri, Logik TV. If you like this video, don't forget to press on that little thumb. Don't forget to comment below, share the page, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.